Hi friends, welcome back in this video. In this video, we're going to discuss what is programming without having looking too much on the syntax side, just to understand what does it means programming and where we use the programmings. So let's get started. Programming is a set of instructions we provide to our software or hardware to operate or function. There are different programming languages available to write a program. Not clear yet, right? It's very confusing, right? So let's go step by step and try to understand what is programming and what we can achieve from the programming. We'll go from hardware examples. Take an example of microwave. So how the microwave operates. This is a hardware, but it also has a software in it. We press the numbers, the heat settings, how much temperature we need it to cook something, and then it start working. So the input we do in the microwave is actually the entry we provide through the software. So this is a software which take our input and then the hardware operates on that input. In a similar way, we have a washing machine and we set our settings for how long that need to be run, what kind of cloth it is taking, how much surface need to be taken. So all these things to be taken into the software, which is provided back to the hardware to operate. The software examples, for example, your mobile phones, you have so many apps. The apps are actually the programs which you run on your machine. If you have a Google account or any other account, what normally you do, you create an account with them. In order to create an account with them, you registered with them, you enter your details, and then you click on save. Once you click on save, there's a program running behind it which you check all your fields and everything is correct. It try to save that data into a database and then return you the message that you have been successfully signed in. Take an example of Facebook. So when you log into the Facebook, what it does, it checks your login accounts. If everything is fine, it fetch all your details from the database and display you onto the screen. So this verifying your account, fetching your details, and rendering onto the browser is all other softwares are doing it. So what are the instructions? Instructions are commands we write for our software or hardware to operate. Example, ATM machine. ATM is a hardware, but it also has a software in it. The instructions we write for ATMs are following. So the first instruction you see in the ATM is insert a card, and then once you insert the card, you get instruction called insert pin. So the machine is looking for something is inserted, then it need to verify that the card you enter it belongs to you. So it need to ask you to insert the pin. Once you insert the pin, it send a request to your bank and try to verify your card. Once the card has been verified, it provide you the option, do you want to withdraw or get a statement or something else. So you provide you the input screen, or the touch screen will provide you the option to select which option you want. Let's assume you selected I want to withdraw a money, and once you select that I want to withdraw for money, it asks you for how much money you want to withdraw, what is the amount you want to withdraw. So you provide the input. Once you provide the input, it start comparing your input with the available balance. So it will send instructions to your bank account. Please check is the balance is available to dispense that amount or not. If the amount is available, then machine will dispense you a cash, and it will instruct the bank to reduce the balance. So next time when you try to get the money, you get the latest balance, right? After that, once the money is dispensed, it will eject the card back to you and then return you to the main menu. So this is the set of instructions written within a machine in terms of a software. So this is a programming which is done, the embedded language inserted into the ATM machine. So how to write a program? As we mentioned earlier, there are different languages available to write a program. They have different syntaxes, but if you learn one language, it is easy to learn others very quickly. There are so many languages available. The main examples are C++, Java, C Sharp, .NET, Angular, PHP, Ruby, Python, and there are many more. Uh, The main category of languages are like front-end languages, back-end languages, and scripting languages. We'll go through one by one what are front-end languages, back-end languages, scripting languages, and how we use them and where we use them. So what you can learn at our channel is we will discuss different languages, technologies, cloud computing, and different frameworks. So don't worry too much at this point. We will discuss everything bit by bit. We will cover Java programming language from basic to advanced. We will discuss Spring, Hibernate, microservices, Docker containers, Kubernetes, and AWS. Thank you very much for watching. Please join our channel and learn from experienced programmers. See you in the next video. Bye.